You can see my Wi-Fi is currently connected, but there is no Wi-Fi that actually works on my Android phone. Here's how you fix it. Now, the first thing you want to do is you just want to go to your settings panel on your phone, and then you want to click on the connection feature. Now, once you do this, as you can see when I click on my Wi-Fi, it actually is pulled up like so, and it says I am on the Wi-Fi even though I'm not. But if we just hold it down like so, we can go over here and actually see all the networks, including my current network that I'm on. But in this case, we just want to click on the settings for the current network that I'm on, and you can get all the personalized details for this Wi-Fi network. And we just want to forget this wet networks like so. And we're actually going to rejoin this in a second. But once you forget it, you just want to go back to your Wi-Fi and actually re-enter your password for your Wi-Fi network like so. As you can see, once you've entered the password, you just click on connect again, and it will actually bring you up back to this page like so. It might take a second to load, but this should resolve the issue. But if it doesn't, there are a few other fixes. And if we go on settings once again, we can click on the view more option and actually see the IP settings, and we want to switch that to static. Now, static is basically more precise location and allows faster speed and more efficient speed for your Wi-Fi. But first we have to change our DNS to 8.8.8.8. And once we do that, we do the second DNS to the exact same thing as the first one, except with 2 4s instead of 2 8s at the very end. Once you do that, you just click on save again, and you actually want to click on the back feature. It might take a second to load, but once it does load, you just click on settings again, and you can actually go back and see your IP address and your DNSs and all the statistics for the Wi-Fi setting. Once you do that, you just click on it to phone MAC rather than randomized MAC. And then from here, what you want to do is you just want to try this again, click it, change it back to randomized MAC, and go back a few times and actually go back onto the settings feature of your phone. Once you do this, you just want to scroll down to the option that is called General Management. You can also search this and click on the Reset option, and then click on the Reset Network Settings. Once you do that, you just click on Reset and enter your current PIN for your Wi-Fi network, and it should fix this issue. As you can see, when I click on Reset, my Wi-Fi should show back up like so. We just reconnect it to my Wi-Fi network and re-enter my Wi-Fi password. And as you can see, when I click connect, it should bring me back on the Wi-Fi.